If you are a compliance focal and you need to change a first-pass score after the fact, this is the video to watch. Before you start, you will need to know the following information: the purchase order author, the purchase order number, and which right-hand block needs changed. As a compliance focal, log into your system and choose your name in the upper right corner, then click on the Metrics link. On the Metrics page, click the People tab. Scroll down and ensure you have the right manager, then proceed to the list of users below. Click the green plus next to the user that requires correction. This will expand the line to show all of the purchase orders that have been scored for this user. Find the applicable purchase order and click on the score that needs changed. You will see a pop-up appear with a drop-down list that contains all of the right-hand blocks that were flagged. Choose the right-hand block that you wish to change and you will be presented with all of the scored flags for this block. Clicking a flag allows you to change it between the various score states, which are NA, unscored, pass, and fail. You may need to click the flag multiple times to get the status you want. Once you're finished, click the Done button and you'll be returned to the metrics page. When the screen refreshes, you will see that the score has been updated in the system. Thank you for using SpendLogic. If you need additional assistance, please reach out to us at help@spendlogic.com.